I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You'll start by confirming the essentials. Make sure Messenger is updated and your OS permissions allow camera, microphone, and screen recording. Once done, close any apps that might lock the camera or GPU, like video editors or other conferencing tools, because they block screen capture. Now restart Messenger so permissions refresh. If you're on desktop, run the app as administrator. On mobile, force close and reopen. These first steps remove the common blockers and prepare the app for a clean screen share attempt. Next, configure what you'll share. Pick the exact screen or window and toggle system audio when you need it. If sharing fails or shows a black screen, make sure hardware acceleration in Messenger or browser is disabled because GPU routing can block capture. Once configured, do a quick test on a one-to-one call to confirm visuals and audio, since group calls add variables. If testing succeeds, proceed to the real session. If not, repeat permission checks and toggles, because small mismatches cause most mid-process failure. To finish, start your call and initiate screen sharing deliberately. Pick the intended monitor or app window, then click Share. Make sure notifications are paused to avoid interruptions. If sharing still fails, restart your device to clear lingering locks. For persistent problems, update graphics drivers or install OS updates because outdated drivers often cause black or blank shares. As a final troubleshooting tip, switch to the Messenger web or desktop client. Sometimes one client handles capture better than another, and that
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.